Okay, so we need to talk about metalloids. So some people have asked me, why is there a zigzaggy line on your periodic table, kind of towards the right side? And we call that the stair step. So your metalloids are going to be located along that stair step. They're semiconductors. What does that mean? Well, it's exactly like it sounds. It means that they kind of conduct electricity and heat, but it's only under certain conditions. And these can form ionic and covalent bonds.
Because germanium is transparent to infrared energy, but not light, it is an ideal material to make the lens of an infrared camera, as shown here. Infrared images are based on heat instead of visible light. When the lens is held up to the person's face, we are able to see an infrared image of the man's face transmitted through the camera, even though the lens blocks visible light and appears black to the naked eye. Arsenic is stable in dry air, but the surface oxidizes slowly in moist air to produce a dark covering over the element. Arsenic and its compounds are very poisonous, and contact with the skin can cause skin cancer. So arsenic must be handled extremely carefully with gloves. In this experiment, arsenic is placed into a 30% solution of hydrogen peroxide. The arsenic reacts by bubbling and fizzing, and the dark oxide layer is dissolved, revealing the silvery pure element beneath.
Here we observe tellurium in its metalloid state. A chisel and hammer chip away a small portion to show how brittle it is. In this experiment, a small portion of tellurium is placed into a glass vessel and concentrated sulfuric acid is poured onto it. The tellurium reacts with the acid to produce an ion of tellurium, which creates a crimson color. Here is another beaker with an identical reaction at a later stage. Notice how the solution now has a uniform deep crimson color to it.
The sound on this record is disturbed by a crackling noise caused by dust on the record. The dust sticks to the record via electrostatic charge. The polonium fitted on this cleaning brush will emit alpha particles from its nucleus, which dissipate the electrostatic charge. Then it's possible to remove the dust from the record with the brush, and the crackling sound is reduced.